sí, sí, sí. Estoy bien, estoy bien, estoy bien. Estoy bien, ma. Estoy bien.
Ay, pendejo.
No,
¿Qué
hija,
fue la mamá? ¿Qué hago?
No, párate, mami. Tienes
¿Aquí?
que hablar el seguro. Sí, 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 aquí, quédate. Háblale el seguro.
There's sure. I am sure here. Oh, purple. There's Pat Godwin. Oh, there's Cosby. Oh.
I got you on camera. I got you on camera. Look, look.
Now, Christy,
You're on camera.
Run cameras at the regional wrestling matches.
I only did it when somebody was sick. I didn't do it all.
But you did do it.
Yeah, I did.
And that's where you met.
Got you on camera. Look, look.
Really
Right there. Right there.
Reading about Mr.
Stop here! Why were you coming at this time?
After the hell he's been through.
God, that's amazing. Oh my god. I just saw a car accident. Oh my god, some right on red. Holy shit, and he just drove this other guy into a...
And he's still behind me. Yo, I don't want to be in the middle of you two. Why is he so close to me?
Guy? Why is he?
Oh my god!
Jesus Christ, man.
Estaban bien caros y qué sé yo, y papi piró. Tienen otro en Mayagüez, que en Mayagüez es... ¡Ay! ¡Ay! ¿Pero qué le pasa?
What up? Michigan Eva under fire are on tour right now with five. All Canada, and I want to stop Jesus Christ. Big shout out to a lovely family. You don't speak English.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.